Tired of the struggle to access Google VEO3? Forget credit cards, forget shady workarounds, because the game has changed. With Opal, you can launch your own Veo3 studio in just 2 minutes. Free, easy, 100% legit. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. But hold up, before we jump in, here's what you need to know. Always use a VPN with a US IP, and you'll be good to go. With each account, you can usually crank out 10 videos every single day, depending on how heavy the servers are. To make more than 10 videos, just switch to another Gmail and reopen the tool link. Pro tip: late at night the servers are quiet, and I could easily make 10 videos. During the day, it might hit the limit faster. By the way, I'm Ida. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I hail you. Thanks for always tuning in. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Alright guys, to get started, just open the link I've left for you in the video description. Here we are inside the Opal interface. All we need to do is hit sign in and enter with our Google account. Here's an important step. Allow the permissions so it links to Google Drive. Whenever you copy the tool, it saves into your drive. And since Opal is Google's own platform, there's no need to worry. Okay, this is the tool we're going to use. Before we begin, just hit the remix button so you'll always have your own copy to keep. Now we click the Start button. Enter our prompt in the first step. Hit Send. Then add the image we want. And click Send. The video is ready. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Hi there, it was so nice to see you today. I just wanted to let you know that this app can even talk with you in real time. Pretty cool, right?
You can see that it supports dialogue really well. To download, just click the 3 dots and choose Download. The download button is there, but sometimes it doesn't work. To create another video, we just click the Reset button. Now we click Start again, and this time I'll use a JSON prompt. And then we click the Send button. We skip the image upload step, because this time we're using text to video.
Power is not given, it is seized.
As you can see, guys, this tool works really well. If we click here to go back, you'll see that on the main Opal dashboard, we now have a copy of this tool, and it's accessible right from there. Quick note: Google changes how these video tools are offered, so nothing is guaranteed to work forever. But I'll keep sharing any tool that works, whether it's permanent or temporary. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and turning on the notification bell, so you'll be updated whenever I share new content.